I greet you all lovers of freedom because were ntị unu mere oche dịka nwanne anyị nwaanyị dadara mma na-ekwu. There is this voice note that trended over the last 4 days or thereabout, where an Igbo guy, I think they call CJ, was found doing what he knows how best to do, which is propagating of lies. He propagated these lies because he was paid by some invisible hands, by unknown agents, to do that. All along, like in one of the voice notes from our Triple General. Okay, yeah, it's from Commander Gentle. It is not possible for anybody to deal with Igbo man, or to defeat an Igbo man, or to defeat the Igbo people. It's not possible unless the person uses an Igbo man to do that. Oboka, Obinu. That word is a very serious word. This Efulefu called CJ, whom I'm going to play his voice now, he was reacting to this voice. The voice where a brother of ours in the Russia, when your voice note to Kimamboya, you know, to ask where to and Imago, I have a correct fanny here. Then, because those people who sponsor this CJ of a guy knows the implication of what this our brother is doing, how much a plus it is to what we are doing. They paid him to run down 2 things. They had 2 targets. Number 1 is to destroy Russia, so that Unagahana chose in the Russia also. Destroy Russia so that Unamantie Luce na Igaba Russia again. Bundi Biafra can nego. Ndeko Hugo ka maybe si afa ndị Russia n'iru ndị Biafra. Achọke maybe si afa Russia ka nyaka Russia rere n'iru ndị mmadụ bụ ndị baị. Second, to stop ka wee kwụsị enyemaka na ihe n'uru niile so na ịga njem a, mkpụrụ niile ọ ya amịta ka emebie ya, ka ebido n'oge wee gbaa ya mgba ka ndị mmadụ da na aga na ebe ọ bụ na efugo Russia as a very wicked country as he want you to believe. So no need unu wee ga there, maka na ọma ndị be anyị gaba there bụ ebe anyị enwe the nkwado pụrụ iche, ebe ya enweta the highest nkwado nwoke ji adị ebube nwa agịrịma na ọ bụ na anyị aga, ọ bụ na ndị be anyị aga there eje soro wee mee ịmụ ọrụ ka esi eme ife anụ ọgụ na nwere onwe na ife niile a. So the target and ndị yuzuru ekwo ya ụgwọ a bụkwa ndị Igbo. That is why you saw him giving very fake, porous, weak, and idiotic analysis. And he was speaking to this in an authoritarian. He was assuming the authority of a first person, the person owner of the action, or somebody who was privy to some of the activities that he was talking about. The way he detailed the whole story was so detailed in a relaxed and very analytical manner. And a lot of people were swayed. A lot of people began to believe the rubbish. Ototonde began to fall for that. That is when you know why Mazen Nnamdi Kanu in an attempt to start this struggle, he said he had to first of all walk in the psyche, in the intelligence of Igbo man, because it has been weakened. The mental strength of an Igbo man has been weakened, such that Igbo man don't reason again. Now I want you to listen to this. I won't want to play ihe nwanna anyị nwoke kwuru mgbe ahụ, ihe o kwuru na mbido, because ihe ahụ ihe nọ n'efere mba ụwa, ihe nọ n'efere, so achọghị m ka na, anyị nidoro ka ọ na-apụta n'efere nnukwu. Mana nke onye okoka kwuru, we will play his own then, and after we will now give you another video that will now debunk all the nonsense he said. So let us go there. Let us listen to him. We might be interjecting and analyzing. So let's go there.
This guy made a video. This guy I wanna now. This guy recently, about 2 weeks ago.
Are you hearing how he is giving it without shaking his mouth? And people will believe this because he's not shaking his mouth. Let's continue.
How about this guy in Ukraine? In our video before, this guy, this guy no bunami Nigeria. Osikwe nami Nigeria bastrate tonke Russia lo. Rather, opro nami Nigeria. All resign no. Jet travel na Dubai.
Are you hearing that? Just inventing stories, things that doesn't exist. Let us continue.
Na rumba na cholata sendeba na Dubai. He came back with a jebezi Russia. Ọgbakwa ha ndị be ha na na-eji join army na Russia. Rather, all just mere onwe travel lose ebe and join ya Russian army.
Now for you who is listening to him, can you see also that this guy cannot even pronounce Russia? So this is a person who is giving you lecture, but let us listen.
This guy, otu akụkọ siri iko, this guy no bunami Nigeria. Osikwe nami Nigeria bastrate to nke Russia lo. Rather, opro nami Nigeria. All resign no. Jet travel na Dubai. Na rumba na cholata sendeba na Dubai. He came back with a jebezi Russia. Ọgbakwa ha ndị be ha na na-eji join army na Russia. Rather, all just mere onwe travel lose ebe and join ya Russian army. Sign no contract. Now, agbagole na Ukraine. A funny thing with the story of this guy, when Russia will say, na aga ebulata ozu, aga ebulatara ndị nwe ozu nwa ha.
Now he has started that demoralization mission. Get aside that now, he want to demoralize us by starting now to paint the false narrative about Russia. And all of that. Listen on.
No, I guess send those to Nigeria. Rather, I get lie na Russia. Na gekwenti o. Now, ihe agbara ndị be this guy wo, the guy wo onye Nnewi, ihe Russia government gwara ndị be this guy wo, na enwere mgbe a na-eji eme funeral for their dead soldiers. Na a ga-enye ha release the date, a ga-pass information to them. Na ọ bụrụ na ha dị interested ịbịa Russia, they can come and witness the funeral. Mana every expenses ha ga-eme in the course of coming to Russia, no ha nwa ga sponsor themselves. Na-egekwe ntị o. Nwanne gị jere alụtara ndị Russia lọgụ. Oru ebe ahụ agbagbuo ya, egbuo ya na war front. Now, We are not even talking about benefit. Onye agbagburu nwanne ya n'agha. Like the government, of course, kwesịrị ikwu the family a benefit. Otu ha si eme their own citizen. Na-ege ntị o. Na-ege ntị. Now, there is no benefit. And the worst, but na ọ bụrụ na unu ga-eji witness funeral nwanne unu ga-eji aka unu sponsor the trip by yourself. It is not even to go and evacuate the corpse of your brother, rather to only go and witness the funeral ceremony. And how wicked in the Russia allowed. Do you see how heartless in the Russia allowed? Emma, ihe njekwu ihe ahụ maka ndị na-praise Russia asị ha na-enyere ndị Burkina Faso aka.
Now, have you seen his direction now? So he wants to carefully debunk the fact that Russia is helping Africa, helping African nations, starting with Burkina Faso. Then this Olodo forgot that we already know about how Russia helped since 2021 helped Mali and then Burkina Faso and now Niger. So this Olodo thinks that he is in control of information. Let's continue to listen to him.
Ha na-protect ndị Burkina Faso. N'anya ka ngwa unu nke eziokwu. For now, Russia ka go be busy with the war in Ukraine. Okwewatago aka juru ha eju. So eya amabe ụdị colonial master ha ga-awụ. Ịma ihe hụrụ Traoré jereje gbakwuru ha. Na ndị enwe benefit ga-esi n'aka ha pụta. Ịhụ Russia eziokwu Britain dị wicked mana Russia aka njọ.
Now are you seeing the angle of the narrative now? So it is better we keep on dealing with Britain and America because Russia is so terrible. According to him, that's what he wants you to believe. So now that we don't need Russia, they are so terrible, so heartless, and all of that. That is the target. That they don't even allow you to bury your own dead. He wants to twist these things and you want to believe it. He said that because Russia did not have the opportunity of colonizing, that's why they did not. My dear brothers, is it true that Russia never had opportunity of colonizing? That they are just waking up, so now they will even be more brutal because they are more wicked in colonizing. Why they have not started colonizing us now? That's what this Anoman is saying, no? It's because they are still busy with Russia-Ukraine conflict. So when they are done now, they begin now to show you the devil in them. That's what the Anoman is telling you. They are busy. Now you ask the Olodo, when did the Russian-Ukraine war, this particular one, when did it start? When did it start? Something that started yesterday. So Russia started existing this yesterday. Because now it's because they are busy with their conflict with Ukraine. Otherwise, they should have started letting loose hell at Burkina Faso. Because they are more cruel than Britain, according to him. That's what he wants you to believe. Let's continue.
Yeah, I'm going to mark it somewhere. Mark it somewhere. Russia ọ bụ mgbe ha lụcha ọgụ Ukraine ọgụ endie ka anyị ga-ama otu ha ga-esi handle their relationship with Burkina Faso, because ihe hụrụ Russia na-agba kpurukpuru now na they so very wish na ha nọ na position ndị UK and France. Russia na-emepe anya n'oge ha pụtara n'oge asịrịrị na Russia lụpụtara n'oge mgbe ndị Portugal, France, Belgium, UK and the rest of Europe bịara kee Africa bịa colonize ya.
Now this guy is telling you Russia is just coming up. So Russia was not there when others were balkanizing Africa. So if they were there, they would have been involved. So because now they are not involved, that's why they want to start their own now. Just imagine. Look at a stark illiterate is the one telling you the story you want to believe. A stark illiterate. Obvious one at that. Russia was not well to do. Russia was nothing. They are not aware. As at the time of Berlin Conference, Russia was nothing during the time of Berlin Conference. That is it. Look at the people who give you information. But, Nyadeba, let me tell you, Russia has always been a strong, a very powerful nation. Their strength was brought into limelight. This Russia was a world power. Their strength was brought to manifestation to the sight of others, of many, when they formed the USSR in the 1920s. The USSR became very powerful. As at 1960s, around 1960 something, it was the USSR. Around 1967, it was the USSR that was able to stop America. Go home and check. That was where it is in that Vietnam War. Of course, let me even use this opportunity. During that time, that was when this hollow story that this guy, this noisemaker is telling you here, that was the same time they were fighting the Vietnam War, where America was trying to make sure that the Soviet party doesn't influence the southern Vietnam. And they also wanted to even to stop it from dominating in the northern Vietnam. And you know, this is an age-long story. It's an age-long story. These Vietnam people, because when this guy is trying to tell you how wicked Russia is, oh, Ojukwu contracted him, Ojukwu, they had this. These are all lies, fallacy, foul. He doesn't know anything that transpired. Ojukwu's alliance was even with the France. And this France we are talking about is the one. Why did Russia go into the Vietnam in the first place? Let us even go into that. The Okoko doesn't know nothing. And it is no good for people like us to be here in the struggle and watch for empty-headed people to feed my people, to feed our people nonsense. What caused the Vietnam War in the first place? Earlier in the 18th, the France occupied the Vietnam. That's what happened. This dates back to the colonization of France, of Vietnam by France, from the 1955 to the 1975. The colonization of France, it led to the late 19th century. So that you wonder why everywhere you see America, everywhere you see France and Britain, you see America there. These have been the parties, the partners in crime. What Russia was doing there was waging war against America, France, and all of them, because they believe the West and America are one. As far back as 1884. This is the time you are talking about Berlin Conference. As far back as 1884, France already coerced the Vietnamese people to fall. Vietnam under the control of France. 1887, they were totally in charge. So that is it. And then they integrated them into their Western culture, to their Western education. They then, give them that they are French Indochina integration. This is what happened. And next thing, they brought religion. They brought their Roman Catholicism. and also brought the plantation economy, which is the same thing you heard about us. They brought the religion, brought the church, indoctrinated into their Indochina, their Western culture. And why you were busy accepting their religion? They were for business. They were in looking at your land, what is beneath the earth, what is beneath your land, what is there in the surface of your land, what they will grab. Why they are giving you religion? Now they brought in that Roman Catholicism, brought the plantation economy. That economy is the main target. Before you know it, the same thing that caused the Opium War, they started exporting some narcotics, exporting tea, indigo, exporting coffee, tobacco. When you saw they put on train or railway, it wasn't because they love you, they wanted to, because this is their access way to exporting your product, things they stole from your land. They kept rubber stamping the state of affairs in Vietnam. They kept stealing like they are stealing in Africa. They kept stealing in Vietnam. Until Japan came to interrupt them in 1941. This is through around this Second World War. That's how they were stopped. And they even later took over again. And the same mission by both Japan and France. The Japan that were thought of, that people were thinking came to save, then occupied on their own. Why these people were even dragging from here? Japan was dragging from here. And then until a strong man came under the national revolutionary, the communist revolutionary leader. The National Liberation Movement under Ho Chi Minh, under the structure of the Communist Party, wherein you now have USSR. Because the very mission and vision of USSR is to always go to interfere with any place or go to rescue any people, any people who subscribe to their socialist or communist ideology. Anytime they have attack from maybe America and the West, the USSR was formed to always go to interfere or to rescue, to help. So under this revolutionary national liberation movement, under the communist revolutionary leader, whom I mentioned his name, Ho Chi Minh, they had to fight both the France and the occupying Japanese troops. Then when USSR saw the seriousness, they now came in. And America was fighting so strong to make sure. America now came in fully, got seriously involved. Because when you hear about France, you hear about Britain, and these people, none of them, they don't get power. Now America be their power. That is why everything you think America is not involved. America is involved in any shit they are running. America is always involved in all the shit they are running. Now there they give you like this. Just take them as they give you. We no be roadside people. Now because these people were determined for now where they think so. For how many years have you done this Biafran thing? See, as these people stood very strong, they saw people that are weak. In fact, they did not. Russia was not yet interested, though. It was when Russia gave them the limelight you saw seriousness. They were already doing something. So, what are you doing? Always fighting yourselves. Before you know it, immediately the Second World War ended, 1945. Boom! They utilized the opportunity. They broke into the northern side of Vietnam, the city of Hanoi. They enter city of Hanoi immediately. They proclaimed the national independence under the provisional government. And this was the move that was supposed to lead to, or that eventually led to the 1946 The next year after the Second World War, 1956, 10 years. And this was the opportunity that France saw to reclaim back the territory. They saw it opportunity to reclaim back the territory within this war. And this is what they call the Indochina War, the first Indochina War. Yes. And this is why I'm telling you, you cannot be, they held their ground. France, they say France will not feel return again. No. So at the end of the day, there had to be a compromise. They came to a round table, around 1956 or 1955 even. There was a round table. Say, okay, let us resolve this, because North Korea was already getting involved. It was getting serious. Yeah, I think that was Korea. Yes, Korea. Now, as the situation got serious, that accord was not sustainable till 1956. They had to get serious and say, okay, the South, since you are somehow sympathetic to the Western culture, to France, and okay, you have your independence, be this side. The North, since you are sympathetic to the Soviet communist ideology, okay, you people should be on this side. Make una hold and stand there. But the crafty America wouldn't, listen. They began to now move in their contingent, some of which were not really necessarily, combat ready, but they were bringing military assistance, equipment, supporting their people, those France, because America was trying to exert influence. And then USSR was somehow watching, people with one eye. Say what I meant. Go and check from DAV, check DAV. America lost almost 59,000 servicemen in that Vietnam. Now, why they were supporting the Republic of Vietnam, the USSR said, okay, our own side, which is our own allies in the north, which are the Democratic Republic of Vietnam, we support them. They began to also get involved too. Not only America sabi get involved. Yes, so now them America, now them started bombing. Now them, when everybody was still come, now they start already the bomb. They sent 3,500 soldiers here, 3,000. They started to go across the Middle East Asia, across the Southeast Asia. They began to send their troops, and you not expect make the other people keep quiet, because when you are already bombing their own allies throughout the northern Vietnam, we already reached. Let these people be BC. Let these people be. Let there be peace. They know one here. That's why when they tell you, say, when anybody is coming to teach you shit here, we will come to correct it. This one say, oh, Russia is the devil, it's more terrible. When you hear USSR, where did you ever see them as powerful as they were? They never deemed it fit to colonize anybody. They never deemed it a wise thing at all. Then where is the humanity you preach? Or westernization? At the end of the day, it was deceit. It was deceit. If not deceit, then what was it? That you cannot allow somebody in his own house to express his own view, to live the way he wishes to live. You must say, that is why we are having problem in Africa, because they forced us into whatever political arrangement we are enjoying or we are having today. They not allow us to, take what we fit us, what fit our temperament, our individual, lifestyle as a people. No democracy. Democracy now, where has it landed Africa? But that fateful day in 1956 in Drag Valley, both the American unit, the cavalry unit, and the Democratic Republic of Vietnam unit, when they clash in that valley, It's no easy for a fizzy, no easy for a cheesy at all. Now these people now picked on American troops and even to today, America refused to accept that it was a wipe. They said it was a win-win because they don't want to accept the weakness, the failure, the embarrassment. So long story cut short, no longer these people stood their ground. They faced America squarely, and in that very valley, in that particular valley, drank. They dealt with them heavy blow. Remember, that was the same way America in the 1770s also faced Britain, confronted them in that valley too. And that is the reason they had their freedom. We are in our own valley. We keep on allowing ourselves to be used in giving fake, destructive, demoralizing narratives. Because somebody paid you a peanut. We keep on from year to year, just destroying all the effort of our veterans. The effort of those who mean well, we keep on destroying it. Because somebody gave you a peanut. Why would you be cooking such a nasty story when you know obviously these stories are fake? You just sit down, instead of thinking something productive, you just want to pull down the morale of those who are doing something great. You want to paint the only way we see road wrong because of a cheap peanut. Let us hear this man, and because I have already destroyed every nonsense he's telling you. Let's continue to listen to him.
Assyria and Russia will be involved. When Ukraine Russia will do worst colonial master. I'm telling you. But unfortunately, all the goleti happened n'oge. So, ha lụcha ọgụ Ukraine ka anyị ga-ahụ otu ha ga-esi manage their relationship with ndị Burkina Faso. Not now. Now, Russia is extremely cruel. Russia is the wicked. Emana ewezuka problem ha nwere with these European countries. Eziokwu Russia laga atopro Ibrahim Traore ọnụ. Also go there ya gbakuru ha yo ha for help. Ha get help here. Man, now because of problem ha nwere with France and the UK. All ihe mere ha ji kana help go di or not even ha na help because we be any serious facility nwuru Russia alone grow na Burkina Faso. Since
now nwoke a bụ ezigbo ewu ebe aka ya ma na ezigbo ewu na-enwebeghị any serious facility ahụ go na Burkina Faso. Ezigbo ewu kwasị na afa gị wusi ije iwu anụmanụ. Look at Russian roads. If I don't want this video to be long, I have videos here in my phone. I will play here what Russia was, Burkina Faso was in 2020 and what it is today. You see the roads, you see the hospitals, you see what trash is this animal talking about?
Ibrahim Traore ji rapara ha na ahụ ka eso. Ha bịa lụcha ọgụ na ebiazie hu ma ha gawu ezigbo colonial master mana n'ihe ngoro ndị aliri obi na azụ Russia the extremely wicked. Russia the extremely wicked. Now lee ihe nwanne anyị nwoke a na-ekwu ebe a ọ sị na all over the world if you want to join the Russian military you are welcome but not to UK. Ijigo ọkụghụrụ ka ọ gwara gị na ha na UK bụ ndị iro. Since iji pụta ụwa enwebe mgbe Russia na UK wu friend just bugodi nke a n'obi. Ọ bụghị this Ukraine war bidoro their enmity. They had always been enemies from the day one. In fact, ma mgbe Churchill elewo British Prime Minister ma during the enwebeghị mgbe Russia na Britain dị na mma since ụwa jiri bido. They had never been friends, they had never been allies. But are you not surprised now?
Now, however, and you and I know that birds of the same feather flock together. Birds of the same feather, they flock together. That is why I use that Vietnam. You saw what evil thing that France have always been known for. They were doing it in Vietnam also. And their own partners in crime came in to support them. The same thing you see, the evil of Britain, their partner in crime. All of them, the West and America, they always join together to keep on navigating the track of evil, sowing the seed of discord, wiping out life. I just finished a video where I told you what Britain is doing in our place. That our elders in our ban, diaspora king, Igbo kingship, Igbo kingship or whatever. But they are not looking at what Britain, of course, all of them are together in it, bringing genetically modified organisms, chipping it, injecting it to our seed. But these our traditional rulers are not talking about these things that matter. Let's continue to listen to you.
Kaba ha ga-fight onwe ha openly. Ha na-aghọ na-aghọgbu ndị mmadụ sị na ha na-aghọ adịa na mma, mana you can never see them fighting each other. Now, lelegodi ihe mere na 1966 ganye na 1970 during the Biafran War. Asịghị na Russia na Britain adịa mma, mana they were working together supplying weapons to Nigeria to kill Biafrans. Ọ bụrụ na Russia na-adịa wicked, ọ bụghị ekwesịghị ịgwa Britain no. Let these people go if they want to go. You cannot supply weapon to go on to kill these people that want to be free. Russia Russia help, believing that Russia will help. Yes, Ojukwu tried to ally with Russia in desperate. If you name it, Rabaha, Obro il Habia Mere, Hangana Yaka, Kaisina Nigeria Pota. And you Russia no make you how wicked Russia lord. Russia.
Now, to cut him short here, Ojukwu was not working with Russia. Ojukwu was not working with Russia, and of course, it was not Russia's that time. Let us even cut him off. In fact, let me not even disturb my intellectual strength. This man will go do. It was USSR. And the military department that was, in fact, it was USSR, but it was even predominantly the Ukraine that was controlling that war, because the jet that came to bombard the Biafran people was contracted, and it was with their British Egyptian alliance, and they came all the way to carry out the job. They were told that a rebel group was rising. They were told that these were terrorists and all of that. They came to without proper, and this is why they are facing what they are facing today, these Ukrainian people. And I want to play so that you see where he talked some trash, because he doesn't have the knowledge of what is happening in Ukraine, between Ukraine and Russia. So I'll fast it to that side.
And I supply Nigerian soldiers. Can you even believe that? Upon Ojukwu Bakukure have for help. This engage Russia to make them supply. They have to engage Russia to supply weapons. Nigeria ka yike. Nigeria na eme your press maka ha ka yike. Na witness the persecution, the oppress. Nigeria na eme ndị Igbo. Britain used Russia. Ngwaọgụ niile ejiri masaka ndị Igbo. Ọ bụ ndị Russia manufacturer ya. Ọ bụ na Ojukwu jekwuru ndị Russia ala na ayọ ha for help. And the ones who na ha na promise Ojukwu, we are with you. I swear.
Now, for you to know that this man will be a pathological liar, how he cooked up the whole thing, that this man and this our brother and because our brother responded to this video. This our brother and quickly responded to this video now. I'm not going to know generation. Now, for you to now know that this guy will go fake by trying to bring in the narrative that Ojukwu was meeting with Russia. How will he give you account of how Ojukwu was meeting with Russia? Ojukwu was meeting with France. His supplies, he was looking out for us from, and I just told you what happened. It was from Ebe Sikorokwe, the jet from Ebe Hanona, Vietnam. Mbakura America alama kasa. Mbakura America boom boom boom. They now came in to do the narrow distance with Egyptian bombers, so Egyptian captain pilots. But let us continue.
These guys in Agbojuku, we are with you. We support. We are with you. We will support you to the end. You, I swear to God, but Hapo Hana supply Nigeria Ngog. So this Russia are extremely wicked. Imagine, when you keep that, this is where they stand. Humble and conscious, they will stand there. So Russia are extremely wicked. Now, look at one now. You're not going to join the Russian army. Now, I go to Fuma. Obaho kwesịrị ịwụ sọsọ mgbe ebe ndụ ka a ga na-akwụ gị. Legodo nwanna nwoke na vidio dị ka onye rijuru afọ. Legodi the guy na video legodi anya. Lele ihe na-egosi gị mmanya ọkụ vodka ka a na-asọplai ha anaghị aṅụ ihe anyị hụrụ ihe a na-akpọ ya Russian beer. Ọ bụ mmanya ndị Russia ha na-arụ ya ka ha na-aṅụ. Kedu ihe dị special with vodka? So mmanya ọkụ ka a na-agba gị n'afọ iwe na-alụtara ha ọgụ. So in a Lutheran dog, even when they don't regard you as a human being, they have to use you so that you will go and they fight for them and they die for them. I had never seen people who are as wicked as Russia. Now, this one now will come in a video. Oh, Zuzukede. Only wutere no wula woni Igbo, if not for anything. No mmadụ ka ewu. Mana ịdị nzuzu. Ịdị ihe a na-akpọ nzuzu. Na legodi somebody like you. Ewu onye Igbo. Ịma afụfụ anyị na-ata asị ndị Igbo na Nigeria. Kedu ihe anyị ji ata afụfụ Nigeria ka anyị ike? Nigeria na-eme anyị oppress maka ha ka anyị ike. Na witness the mmewu, the persecution, the oppress Nigeria na-eme ndị Igbo. Ehuru the pain. The pain of being oppressed as a human being, as only Igbo in Nigeria. You see what we are going through. Ehuru the pain, ehuru the agony, the frustration Nigeria na cause why because ha karịrị. That same pain ka Russia na ewetara ndị Ukraine. Russia karịrị Ukraine. Russia agaghị ike. Russia na-egbu ha. Russia na-eme ihe niile. Ndị nwewu onye Igbo nwa na mmadụ imewu onye ọ karịrị adịghị mma. Iwere kweje join ya Russian army ka iwere na-egbu small people like Ukraine. Iwere conscience. Ịmakwa aka mma na ịnwere ebe ị na-defend ndị Ukraine. Why ojiri wuru Russia ka ijere alụtara ọgụ mana ịhụkwara na Russia karịrị Ukraine? Why can't Russia with their capacity with the ọkwesị ikwe ikwuru ebe ala ha world power? Ọ wee wụrụ ndị ga-abịa alụtara ha ọgụ. Iwu ka ebe mmadụ na-eji alụtara onye ka ya ike ọgụ. Onye nna ndị world power with their capacity ego ha mụlechọ ha na ihe niile ọ were wụrụ ndị ga-abịa anwụtara ha inwekwere echiche. Ọ wee wụrụ maka ego inwekwere echiche ka ka mmadụ ga-esi kpam ụdị ego mgbe nwụọ na now ọbụrụ na ha na-akwụ gị $1 billion every month. Kedu ego ga-eri ego ahụ na kedu ebe ego ahụ dị na ka ezi uru iritere now at your age. This guy ka dị young onye erube 40 years. Iwe je nwụtara a great country like Russia, world power, on the course of oppressing ndị ha karịrị. Ọ wụrụ ha ka ị ga-eje anwụtara ahụgo m ụdị nzuzu a mbụ. Ehụrụ ndị ka ike ibe ha ike ịgbagide join ha na-egbukwe ndị ahụ ha ka ike. Inwekwere sense ịmakwa population ndị Russia ịmakwa ike. O were Russia ka ijere nwụtara ndị mara ha karịrị Ukraine. Ọ wụrụ ha ka ị ga-eje ti ndụ nwụchitere ha ọnwụ. Are you not fool? Are you not a fool?
Okay, let us even start from here. this Anoman said that this guy is not looking healthy because Russia is not taking good care of him. This guy said this our brother is drinking vodka. Instead of him being fed with food, they are giving him vodka. And you can see that he is non-enwen. What is vodka? And he called it by himself Russian beer, meaning that it is a good drink they drink in Russia. And leaving that side, ask him, how does a footballer, an athlete, somebody who work hard, or a military officer, active officer, how do an active officer look? And this guy told you that he was a Nigerian officer. And this is how he has been treated. This reflection of how he has been treated in the Nigerian army. And he said, for now, he even still in camp, because they will soon take him to the front where he will be, combating. They are still in the camp, where they will, do the whole documentation, the whole process and training, and all of that. He didn't want to listen to all of that. He just want to find every possible way to paint Russia black. And he got you all when he tried to finger your psychology. He manipulated your intelligence by sounding somehow sympathetic. Oh, that he saw that small Ukraine, Ukraine is a small country. Ukraine, small country. And small Ukraine, the Russia can. So Russia you are afraid of men the Fulani men Igbo, Baboon Nigerian government in Baboon Igbo, and now you are standing for Ukraine. What is the ensuing interest between these two countries, Russia and Ukraine? What ensuing interest? That America, that is over the ever problem Obodo, and NATO was trying to create conflict all over the world. And Russia is standing to it to say, no, we are not going to allow it happen. When Russia was trying to build military base in Mexico, trying to build military base in Cuba, did NATO allow it? Now they want to build military laboratory, to manufacture all kind of weaponry in their neighborhood. They oppose their base. Now they will come to their neighborhood. Remember, I think 1992, 96, they signed some agreement that NATO will not come towards East. So why did NATO now want to come? You want Ukraine to be a member of NATO, and you want to be building military laboratories. Come on. This so tole. Shut up your dirty mouth because you don't know anything. You don't know nothing. You know nothing. These issues that you are trying to wade in, everybody want to be relevant. You want to talk shit. No matter how much they pay you, I don't care. Shut up your trap. Don't know nothing. Listen on.
Iro chalu jefisi baka na Ukraine. Ha gara anya ọrụ na ha karịrị Ukraine. Ha ga-ejesi otu a lụso America ọgụ? No. Ha ga-alụso America ọgụ. Mana ha ga-alụso you had the speed invade Ukraine maka ha karịrị Ukraine.
Ha ga-alụso America ọgụ. Ha ga-alụso America ọgụ. Now check it o. Kemgbe ebidoro this thing now. All the, I think, the 32 members of NATO. They're talking of 32 countries. They are the people you call superpowers that make up NATO, together with Ukraine, have been fighting the same Russia since then. And in case you don't know, go and check what the NATO secretary said. Russia no be your mate. He said what them all 32 member countries are producing in a year, military equipment. What they produce in a year, Russia produce it in 3 months. And Russia said they are going to speed up such that in 2030, they will triple what they produce now. So Russia no be your mate. When you said it was Russia that came to fight Biafrans during the Nigerian Biafran War, you called it Russia, I didn't call it USSR. Then you don't know. When you you now owned up it was Russia. Now, how come you don't know it was that same Russia that dealt a heavy blow with America in Vietnam? Which is why I brought in the story. Dealt a hell out of America in Vietnam. So who told you that they can't fight America? Who is America? I don't even think I should be playing your shit again. Now listen to what our brother replied to him.
It's not easy. I could say nay, I mean, so I do not know.
Now listen.
I go. I go finish, you see. The more I reply, I reply is on a poor. No, Messia.
Okay, I think it's not in this one. Now listen to it now.
On na generation any day I want to play idiots. They idiots in the kun and never na one na Ukraine. Now one new Nancy from Dubai, wega Ukraine, na on the buy, thunder park about. Now if I flesh photo meluta that they have, if I exercise I got attack, take about Waganya. I want to know when you would in new, I want 15 and before I Ukraine, Gagabayan, it's room to buy on a bag, take it out while I don't think that I won't know. Your generation in from one way to go to a lot of duration and the most well. And the mass of those Biafra now, so take a power, I don't know hypocrites in non an Igbo. You can I Biafra, Anoma, no one, the one way to go to allow you, Russian soldier, Catadondo, Atam to Romontona, Russia. Nekume, I want to take a power, I know.
Okay, you've heard it from the horse's mouth. All right, thank you for listening. Do good to share this program so that our people will desist from this rebellious, wicked character. It is very bad that we will always be the one used to destroy ourselves and our cause. It's very bad, very, very bad. Do good to like, share, click on the subscription button as well if you have not. But if you have, don't bother touching it again. Thank you. I remain Akpanapana Soko. This is still Biafra Radical Freedom TV. You'll hear from me again today or tomorrow, because we will talk about more issues affecting us or surrounding us. Nke onye chiri ya zero, onye anyị hụrụ tata ka anyị hụkwa ya echi ise. Ya gazie ụmụ Chukwu.